Hey guys, Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia, and today we're working on a brand new 2018 Porsche Macan. We're here at a customer's house where unfortunately they got a little door ding on the passenger front door. Nothing too crazy, about the size of a quarter, on the passenger door underneath the mirror. It was accidentally dented in the garage when another car door opened up and hit it. But no worries, we're going to go ahead and take care of this for the customer. So, anyway, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, so let's go ahead and get started.
Even though this is a relatively small ding, it's actually a pretty challenging repair because of the dent's location. There's actually a long horizontal brace going through the door right where the dent is located. This makes it very difficult to get a tool on the back side of that outer skin. So we're using a long J-style tool to go beneath the brace and hook back up to where the dent is located to be able to shake this metal back out. So we've taken care of the door ding, and as you can tell, it's completely gone. We know the customer is going to be really happy with this. Now, like I mentioned before, this was a pretty small ding on this vehicle, but paintless dent repair is not only for small dings. It can actually be used on larger damage as well, as you can see in some of these other photos of repairs that we've done. So whether you have small dents on your vehicle or if you happen to have larger damage, you can reach out to us at 678-544-3004. Shoot us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can click the link in the description below to go to our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com.